guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have not one but two Beautylish Lucky Bags. I'm so excited. So I ordered the XL Lucky Bag from Beautylish. If you don't know, it is $150 but typically has a lot of really cool high-end products in it. I know last year some people were like, I don't know if it's worth my money. It's definitely a gamble as with any mystery box, but I was really excited to order it. They only do it once a year and it's off of a tradition called fukubukuro that they have based this box, which is basically a lucky box or lucky bag, and some people get luckier than others. I am, fingers crossed, really hopeful. In the past I've gotten Charlotte Tilbury, Natasha Denona, Kevin Aquan, that's just to name a few. But as you can see, I have two boxes and I got a surprise because Zach actually ordered me the regular lucky bag for $75. So the shipping is a little steep. I know on my XL bag it was $15, so I actually paid $165 for that. So we're gonna dive in and unbox. I really should be leaving right now, but I got these and I was so excited. So we're just unboxing. I don't care. I may run a few minutes late, but I've got about 20 minutes and that is it. So let's get into it. Alright, I don't know for sure, but I feel like the regular one actually weighs a bit more. And just so you guys know, I literally just got them thrown at my door, hopefully nothing's broken, while I was doing my makeup. And yeah, I was just in a hurry to get it done. That's why my makeup looks so simple. I had a more elaborate eye planned out, but there was no time. So let's go ahead. So this is the regular lucky bag, and I believe he did have to select a color, which was like fair to medium. So let's see. Oh my god, and it's so pretty. So this year has like cranes on it. The paper is always absolutely gorgeous, and I have saved the paper in the past, but this may be my favorite paper ever. It says lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane of this year's lucky bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope your surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. All right, let's see. All right, so everything is kind of like folded up in paper. I have no idea what we're getting. Oh my god, everything is really wrapped up. Wow, I basically have a big bundle. HOLIFROG KISSIMMEE Vitamin F Therapy Balmy Wash. Wow, I have never heard of any of these things. I know Kissimmee is a city in Florida. That's about it. Balmy wash. So I'm guessing this is a face wash. Repairs and hydrates, keeps skin cells working their best. Dry skin, circular motions, blah, blah, blah. Okay, a balmy wash. That sounds really interesting. I have never heard of this brand. So, thoughts on first product are, Looks like I got a ton of brushes. They say unit. So I got 6 brushes right here, and they just say unit 209, unit 210. These look like face brushes. I don't know who these are by. Ooh, these feel so nice. I just grabbed a few so that you guys can see. These are some very hefty, sturdy brushes. They feel amazing. Ooh, I'm gonna look up these brushes really quick. I know I'm pressed for time, but I don't know what these brushes are. So this brand is apparently called Units, and they have series of brushes. It looks like I got the 200 series set of face brushes for $72. Okay, so interesting. It's fun to try new brushes, don't get me wrong, but I'm kind of like, I've never heard of that. I got a little ORIBE APRES Beach Wave and Shine Spray. So this is a little guy, not very exciting. I've got to be 100% honest. We got something from Good Molecules. I know that this is a really affordable brand. This is the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. So I have a couple products and I do enjoy them, and they kind of came out with this line. Maybe it was in last year's lucky bags that people started getting it, and it was brand new. So they have a really pretty packaging. It's kind of like medicinal, but also this brightly colored vibe too. So this seems really interesting. I will definitely have to give this a try. I got a SUGARPILL lip. This is a liquid lip color in Trinket. I actually have Trinket. I love Trinket. It's a beautiful color. That's what it looks like in the packaging. I think these run around $18 if I'm not mistaken. I'll have to check my Trinket and see if it is, you know, dry or old or anything, and see if I need to replace it with that one. We got from R&Co Spiritualized Dry Shampoo Mist. Also another mini. Okay. Again, I'm not really impressed with that. All right, we got one more item and I think I know what this is. Yes, so this is the Dominique Cosmetics Berries and Cream palette. Now this one is absolutely stunning. Because I have so many palettes, I haven't purchased it, but I was just saying in my Trend Mood unboxing that I think Dominique palettes are absolutely stunning and are a very, very good quality. So that's the palette there. I love that this is berries and cream, but you still get a lot of variety, and I'm eyeing this black I have swatched is really nice, the navy's nice, and then you get some really cool berry tones as well. I think this one's around a $50 price point. I'll try to remember to put all the prices on the screen and give you an overall value as well, but I'll total that up as I'm editing because we're in a hurry. So palettes, brush set, 2 hair items, a toner, and a wash. Now for $75, still a really, really good deal. Oh, and a lip, I left that out. So I'm not seeing any item in this box that I'm like, oh my god, this is so amazing, but still a really good value and a really fun experience to get this box. All right, so this is the XL Lucky Bag that I ordered. Now these are typically the ones that have the wow items in it, but I have seen boxes in the past, just regular boxes that have Natasha, but I have no idea what to expect. There is no color range with this one. I didn't have to pick a color, but as you can see, nothing in my particular box was skin tone range, you know, whether it be contour, powder, whatever, nothing like that. So let's go ahead and dive in. Same beautiful packaging. I'm trying not to like eyeball this too much, but we got another big bundle in bubble wrap. We got another HOLIFROG item. This is the Super Omega Nutritive Gel Wash. How is it that I got 2 cleansers from the same brand, or at least I think the other one's a regular cleanser. Ooh. Oh, this one's cool. This is definitely a cool packaging right here. Very interesting, and they do list the pH on this product. I wonder if I was supposed to be saying HOLIFROG and I was like holy frog. Apparently this one goes for 36 and the other one that I got goes for 42. I was just very curious on the price points there. Let's see. We got some Ardell lashes. Oh, they're magnetic lashes. Ugh, not excited about this. I don't know how you guys feel about magnetic lashes, but I am not really interested. These are the kinds that you like clamp bottom and top. So far, not really impressed. We got something from Good Molecules. This is the Instant Cleansing Balm. So pink box there. Again, a more affordable brand. Not really a product that's gonna make me like freak out, but it's the Instant Cleansing Balm. Comes in a jar, and I believe this will be a makeup remover. So I don't know if this is just a cleanser or a makeup remover or both, but I will definitely give this a try. We got the JUNO & Co. Microfiber Rosé Velvet Sponge. Wow, I'm not impressed with this so far. Wow. I think these are like $6. Not my favorite sponge. All right, we got something from Charlotte Tilbury. We're getting better. This is the FILMSTAR Bronze and Glow. This is a limited edition palette dazzling with Swarovski crystals. Includes mini powder and sculpt brush. Oh, look at that. Look at this packaging. We've finally gotten an item that I am excited about. Ooh, look at this sculpt and highlight. It looks beautiful. Let's give this highlight a little swatch. Now, I have a Charlotte Tilbury highlighter that when you first get it, you're like, that's not doing a lot, but when you build it up, it is absolutely stunning. But this is the item right here. I would imagine that this would be a little bit costly, and I do love Charlotte Tilbury products. We got the Hourglass Caution Mascara. This will definitely go in a giveaway. I believe I already have one of these, maybe 2 of these, and this one is a brand new in the box. It's the Caution. It's a good mascara. I just have so many mascaras. This one is around like $27, something like that. It's pretty pricey, but you will see that in a future giveaway. Okay, we got something in a little, looks like a brush roll maybe. Oh, okay. So we got the Unit 200 eye brushes. So I have got an entire set of unit brushes. These seem very nice, and like I said, $72 for that set, so I'm gonna guess around the $50 price point without taking the time to look it up, but this one comes in a little container. It's kind of weird though, because that brush set was shown in a brush roll, but it wasn't included. Oh my god! Okay, I take it all back. I got the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. I think I got one of these last year. I gotta show you the last item last. This one is in the shade Amethyst. I believe I already have this, so I will make sure, and then you can probably expect that in a future giveaway. And then I got something so exciting! I got the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette, and let me tell you, I have eyed this palette ever since it came out. I have wanted it so much and was like, no, of all the things to buy, this can't be it, but I got it! Oh, I'm so excited. So this is a beautiful kind of, I want to say like luxe meets grungy because it's got like dark, rich colors in here, but you've got so many beautiful, beautiful colors. I am so ecstatic to have gotten this. It is stunning. Now, if you swatch this in store, and you swatch some of these, you're gonna be like, oh, that's a weird formula. It's very different. They feel kind of wet, but they're absolutely stunning and I cannot wait to play with this. So, okay, that made it worth it. I was literally like, what's going on? But this definitely turned it around. I will swatch just a couple for you. I don't wanna ruin it, but it's so good. So here's just a couple shades. And that green is one that's very different. It swatches almost like wet and creamy, but blends out amazingly. It's such a strange, beautiful formula, and I am so very excited. So definitely these two things really made this box. I would imagine that this is more than the cost, like retail value. And then of course we got a sponge, eye brushes, mascara, we got a cleanser, really ugly lashes, but everything else was really good. And I do have to say, I don't think my bag is an extra lucky bag, but I do feel pretty lucky because I do enjoy a lot of these products, and I'm so excited to use my Charlotte Tilbury, my Natasha Denona, and also the Dominique Cosmetics palette because it is gorgeous as well. I just got the latte too, so now I have like a whole collection of Dominique Cosmetics. I'm really intrigued to try the brushes, and then we got some good skincare too. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this unboxing. I know it was maybe a little bit rushed, but I just wanted to be able to show you guys what I got and get this video up as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I do have a giveaway going on right now. If you are watching this video when it's relatively new, I have a giveaway that I just started yesterday that's going to run for a few weeks, so be sure to go and check that out and enter it. It will be linked down below. So thank you guys again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!